In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Gmail account on iPhone. This should work on iOS 13, of course. So if you want to delete your Gmail account, then make sure to watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. So there are two methods. I'm going to show you the first one right now. Open your settings, scroll all the way down, go to password and accounts. As you can see, you see Gmail right here. Click on it. And then click on delete account. If you want to delete a specific Gmail, then I'm going to show you the method right now. Go to your Gmail app, click on the top right corner on your account, click on manage your Google account, then go to data and personalization, the third tab right here. Scroll all the way down till you see download, delete, or make a plan for your data. Click on the third one, delete a service or your account. And click on delete your account right here. Fill in your password and then delete it. Yeah, that's basically it. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I would appreciate that. Bye.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.